Welcome kids. Today we will learn how to write number 9. Here is number 9. Half circle, full circle and standing line. Let us start writing. Half circle, up, full circle and come down with straight line, standing line, and touch the line, lower line properly. Half circle, up, join here, come down, straight line. Half circle, up, join here, come down, standing line. Half circle, up, standing line or straight line. Half circle, up, join here, come down, standing line. 9. Half circle, up, join here, come down, straight line. 9. Thank you.